got it wrong. We don't sell Pinkie Pie cupcakes.
Pinkie Pie cupcakes?
We want some. How much? You again. I told you no cupcakes. Ah! Sue, help me. I can't take it anymore. I'm fed up.
Sammy, you should have written pink pies like I told you.
I didn't know that one letter would start this Pinkie Pie madness. Can we have a Pinkie Pie cupcake? Stop it already. I don't have such cupcakes.
Well, I know the recipe. Let's go. Sammy, come on. So let's start. The base for our cupcakes will be the classic chocolate cakes.
If they're chocolate, then we'll start with the main thing, the cocoa. Ooh, delicious.
That's good, Sammy. But for a fluffy batter, we're gonna need some more ingredients. That was flour, baking soda, and salt. Here, Sam, mix everything really well.
My pleasure. This is easy-peasy. Friends, repeat after me.
And in the other bowl, I'll mix eggs, sugar, brown sugar, butter, and vanilla. Bam, bam, bam! All done! Now we can put all the ingredients together.
Wait, Sue, we need to add some buttermilk and mix it all up again. It's easy. Just help me.
Sure, Sammy. There you go.
Holy cannoli, so much chocolate!
We put the cupcakes into the oven and now we're waiting until the kitchen is filled with sweet smell.
Just 20 minutes and the chocolate cupcakes are ready. No Pinkie Pie though.
It's our next step. Decoration in My Little Pony style, like this.
Guys, get ready for the makeover. It's time to change.
Now it's time for frosting. Ask an adult to cut off the upper part of the cupcake carefully, like this. Hup, all done. Spread your frosting in a thin layer. Sammy, join me.
I'm here. Sue, can I add some frosting to your cupcake too?
No way. This color is for the other cupcake.
Okay, we'll add it here and there. Sue, what's next?
We have a layer of sponge cake, then the frosting, and then another sponge cake layer. And now we're gonna
eat them! I waited my whole life.
No, first we'll add some icing on their tops.
Shiver me shudders. Can it get even better? I want to see the result.
You won't have to wait for too long. We'll add more icing and move to the decor.
Hi, Pinkie Pie. Don't be shy, Fluttershy. Say pony.
To make our cupcakes in My Little Pony style, we'll use some fondant. There we go, very carefully.
And to spread it evenly, we'll use a spatula, like this one. Here, Sue, follow my lead. Your turn.
Looks easy. Let me try myself. And here is our cupcake.
Hey, Sue, do I look like a cupcake?
Yup, you need some frosting.
Sue, no,
Come
please.
here.
Ah!
Friends, the funny Pinkie Pie is waiting for us. Stay tuned.
Blue or green? I really can't recollect it.
Sammy, what's up? Let's roll the fondant to make cute faces.
I know! Pinkie Pie has blue eyes, so we'll take… Ah!
Gotcha, Sammy. I guess you got carried away. Look, the fondant is ready, so we can create the eyes now.
Now you're in a hurry. First, we need to cut out some circles.
Right you are. We'll use a cake decorating tip. It has a suitable round opening. And voila!
Wow, this circle looks so neat!
I like it too.
Sue, I'm gonna help you this time. Ugh, now look!
It came out great, Sammy. Nice job.
And we need to press this circle. Yep, much better.
We need just 2 small arches from it to make the irises.
Look, everyone! With this fondant, you can create a new look!
Yup, but don't forget to keep some pieces for the cupcakes.
It's like they're watching me. Look, Sue! And now they are watching again. What? Ah! Shiver me cheddars, what is it?
Sammy, are you afraid of the fondant now? It's not your style.
I got carried away. I will help you with the second eye.
Sammy, what is it?
Ah! Is it an allergy? I need help. Sue, look at me.
Come here. These are just fondant pieces. Hop. We'll use them to add reflections to the irises. Awesome!
La la la. Oh, what is it, Sue?
Oh, Sammy, I confused you with our fondant.
Sue, come on! Slimes don't look like fondant.
I promise not to prank you like that. And Pinkie Pie's face is ready.
And what about her ears? Did you forget them? I'm watching you.
We'll use them later. And now we'll assemble the face on the cupcake.
Wow, Sue! It came out great!
And there are more! Look at the other colors!
Frosting is so delicious!
Did you eat it all? We need it for the next stage!
Oopsie! You had to label it! I didn't know!
We still have to make a new batch! You're in charge!
Friends, I will make it in a mere second! Don't go anywhere! Oops.
And now we're launching our Wheel of Fortune!
And first is the Fluttershy cupcake! So, are you happy with the first place? Tell us more!
Sammy, I guess she is too shy. And he's waiting for her new haircut. For each pony, we'll make a tail in their special colors.
What about me? I wanted two, Susie!
For this, you have to become a pony first. And then we'll make you a cool mane from frosting.
I want it now! Come on, bring it on, Sue!
Oops, I guess we'll use all the frosting on Fluttershy this time. Final decor touch, yellow ears, and all done.
And we are moving to the Daring Rainbow Dash! Friends, do I look good in rainbow colors?
Sure! Her frosting haircut will also consist of several colors.
We're done with pink. Let's use orange.
Yup, but still there will be more pink. We love this color so much.
I will add the yellow cream right here.
Yup, go on, Sammy. Squeeze it on top. Good job.
We need to find the biggest star. Pinkie Pie, where is she? There she is. Sue, let's decorate her next.
Sure, it's because of her we started all this. And she needs lots of pink frosting. Woo! So cool. Here's her pink tail. And let's not forget about her ears.
Do I look like My Little Pony character now? I'm a cupcake.
Let me try. Mmm, so delicious. And here is our last cupcake. Sammy, come on, give it back now.
I took it for just a second, and I also added the frosting.
But you rushed and forgot to add the pink color.
So, Sue, are we okay? Ah, Sue, I just washed myself. Don't do it.
Come back, scaredy slime. Twilight Sparkle is almost ready. Did he really run away?
It's so easy to trick our Sue. Let me finish here. And the horn is here.
Sammy!
She's coming.
Sam? He rushed again and attached it wrong. I'll fix it. Friends, let's have a look at all of our cupcakes.
Our bakery offers you the best fluffy My Little Pony cupcakes. Come, don't rush. Money first, then soon we'll give out your orders. I want the rainbow one.
I'm on it! Who wanted the rainbow one? Money, please! Thank you! That's enough!
By the way, do you remember our Oreo cake? Oreo cake? You have this cake? I love Oreo cakes! Oops, we don't have it now. Don't rush! Sue, they were here again! Help me, please!
Good luck, Sammy! Friends, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you very soon! Bye-bye!